question 3, like now we are going to discuss question 3. It's linear equation and inequalities. It says a chemical solution is made of water and some mystery liquid Q. There is 9 ml of liquid Q and a total 15 ml of the new chemical solutions. If the new chemical solutions is 78% liquid Q, what is the equation to solve for the amount of water W in the solution? So we can see that like the total volume is 15 ml. So that's why in every option you can see that 15 is on the right hand side. Now question is, if we come to the left hand side, like what should be the approach for the left hand side? You can see that 78% liquid Q. So 78% means in decimal that would be 0.78. And if you see that its volume is 9 ml, it is mentioned over here. So don't you think like we have to multiply it like by 9? So if you multiply it by 9, so that would be 78%. Now if we try to find out the percentage, like it is 100 minus 22, that is 100 minus 22, that would be 78. Or if you try to find out this one, 100 minus 78, that is 22%. So 22% means 0.22 times W. So that would be equal to 15. So which option you will get? So you can see that C and D cannot be the option, because the problem is that it's 1 plus W times W. So it doesn't make sense. And in option C, 9 times W, but 9 is the volume for liquid Q and where W is for water. So C is discarded quite easily. Now question is 78% for liquid Q. So it cannot be multiplied with W. So A would be your answer.